What's going on, guys? So Apple yesterday released the new Pride Edition Apple Watch bands for 2022. I am beyond excited to be checking these out. We've got two and I ordered both of them. Let's go ahead and open this one up. And there's the first one. The first one we got is the Nike Edition Apple Watch band. I actually really like the way that Apple is risking the design this year because there's actually a word on the back of the band. There's actually Pride written on the back of the band. Oh boy, this is the one that I like. This is the one that has Pride on the back. So for me, it's like a tradition every single year. When summer comes, always the new Pride Edition Apple Watch bands actually come commemorating Pride Month. So this is the one from 2018. I've got a bunch of them from every single year. There's probably one of my favorite ones and the new braided one from last year, which was incredible as well. But here are the new ones, right? Here are the Nike. This one's the Nike version. Apple is proud to financially support LGBTQ advocacy organization working to bring a positive change. So let's go ahead and open up the Nike one first of all. I say this every single year, but you do not have to be gay or lesbian or whatever you want to be in order to support Pride. I feel like Pride is a beautiful way on helping out those people that do want to be a certain thing, but they can't be because of society, because they are too scared to be whatever they want. So for this, you are supporting those types of people. I've got friends who are gay and they are scared on being gay because of what society tells them. So here's the first band. Here's the first Nike band. And by the way, we do get a new exclusive watch face, which I'll show you in just a second. Here we go, we see Pride 2022 on the actual buckle. Apple's actually adopted the Sport Loop for this year. So let's go ahead and actually try it on. Let me go ahead and get rid of my wrist cam right here. You simply do like that and then strap it on the back just like that. And I love this. I love this right here. Look at this. Look how beautiful the watch face works with the actual Apple Watch band. This thing looks incredible. All right, it's time to open up the standard Pride Edition Apple Watch band. Once again, I really like how they wrote Pride on the back, and it gives me out ideas on Apple. Maybe they could even print out our names, or maybe they could release a hello, the famous Apple hello from the Macintosh on the back of the band. I feel like that would be pretty cool. So anyways, let's go ahead and open that up right there. I don't know if you guys can see the detail of the actual box printing, but it's actually embossed with Pride. It's super cool. 1, 2, and 3. Oh man, this is awesome. You know, it's not that I don't support Pride, but usually Pride bands are very colorful, right? So it's really hard to match your outfits with these colors. But this one, I feel like it's very minimal. I really like this year's because this one's very minimal. And by the way, can we talk how easy it is to change and remove and swap out an Apple Watch band? That's honestly one of the things that I love the most about the Apple Watch is how easy it is to just change your Apple Watch band. There we go, it says Pride right there. I don't really like the way that it looks on a space gray Apple Watch. This band is more specifically for maybe a silver aluminum or maybe for a gold version. Okay, now that's the look. That's the look right there. I actually might prefer this white silver look. This is how the black Pride looks with the gold one. This looks really good as well. I always get so much hate for promoting these Apple Watch bands. Now, I do not get paid by Apple to promote them. I just feel, once again, that you do not have to be gay. I'm not gay, but I love promoting this because of those people that, you know, I feel like we really have to support the LGBTQ community. And if you don't accept it, I don't care. You can go ahead and unfollow me. I don't really want people that, you know, don't accept something that should be just normal on today's days.